In this video, I will show you how to make fresh homemade ricotta cheese using just 3 ingredients. It's easy, quick to make, and tastes incredible. You will need 2 liters of whole milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. If you don't have lemon juice, you can use 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. Place the colander over a large bowl and line it with a cheesecloth. Set this aside. On the stovetop, pour 2 liters of whole milk into a medium pot. Turn the heat on to medium. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir often with a wooden spoon to keep the milk from sticking to the bottom of the pot. When you begin to see tiny bubbles around the edges, use a food thermometer and start checking the temperature. Keep stirring as it heats. Once the milk reaches 190 degrees Fahrenheit or 88 degrees Celsius, it is ready. At this stage, the milk will be very hot. You'll notice steam rising and more bubbles forming around the edges and on the surface. Reduce the heat to low and add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice or vinegar. Give the milk a few gentle stirs. You'll immediately see the curds separating from the whey. Whey is the pale liquid that's left after the curds form. Turn off the heat, cover, and remove the pot from the burner. Let it rest undisturbed for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the curds should be fully formed and separated from the whey. This is exactly what you want. Using a ladle, gently transfer the curds and whey into the cheesecloth-lined colander. Take your time during this step so you don't break the curds. Once everything is poured in, place the colander over a smaller bowl so the whey can continue to drain. Let it drain at room temperature for 1 hour. Don't throw out the whey, pour it into a clean glass jar. You can use it in baking and cooking as a water replacement. You can also use it as a natural meat tenderizer. It will keep in the airtight jar inside the fridge for 5 days, or you can freeze it for up to 6 months. After 1 hour, the texture of the ricotta will be soft, fluffy, creamy, and ready to enjoy. 2 liters of whole milk will give you about 350 to 370 grams of ricotta cheese. Gather the cheesecloth and gently squeeze out any remaining whey. Transfer your ricotta to a glass container. Try it on crusty bread with honey. You will love it. It's also tasty with extra virgin olive oil and oregano. And of course, perfect with pasta. You can add it to your pizza, make ricotta gnocchi, or add it to your favorite desserts. Fresh homemade ricotta tastes cleaner and silkier than store-bought. There is no dryness, just pure milk flavor. It refrigerates well for up to 5 days in an airtight container. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more recipes. If you are interested in homemade dishes and desserts, you'll find them right here at Mary's Kitchen MTL.